Welcome, here I've got Samsung Galaxy S21 and I'm gonna show you how to activate image stabilization while recording a video on this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. Let's change it by using this settings bar and just simply going to the right to the video. So here we are. Now let's move to the left corner to this button. When we tap on it, we can open the advanced camera settings with the videos category at the first place in the video mode. At the second place we have video stabilization option, so by using this button we can turn it off or turn it on like that as we need. And also when we go back to the video preview, we have one extra way to stabilize our video better. This button here, just one tap to turn on super steady and another tap to turn it off. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.